my God, wherever you go, you just people talk about sunscreen. But why? Yes, nowadays there is a lot of ozone layer depletion on the earth, and yes, the UV radiations are penetrating very deeply and it is causing lot of skin damages. So doctors are recommending to use sunscreen. And do you know there is also disadvantages in using the sunscreen? Do you know the right time to use the sunscreen? Do you know the right portion to use the sunscreen? So today I'm here with you to explain every single thing about the sunscreen, and mainly I'm focusing on the disadvantages of the sunscreen because I have to bring out the reality in front of you. So this video is for that. So without wasting the time, please let us dive into the video. Before discussing about the disadvantages of the sunscreen, let me tell you briefly the mechanism of the sunscreen. So here there are two types of UV rays, that is UVA rays and the UVB rays. So especially the UVA rays causes photoaging and contributes for the skin cancer. Also UVB rays contributes the skin burn and also the skin cancer. So here the sunscreen, which is mainly made up of the zinc oxide and the titanium oxide, which avoids the penetration of the UV radiation or the UV rays inside the skin. So this is the simple mechanism of how the sunscreen gives protection for your skin barrier without allowing the UVA and the UVB rays for your skin. Just you have taken a clarity of the mechanism of the sunscreen. So now I'm gonna focus on the side effects of the sunscreen. So as you can see here, sunscreen will affect you and it will give you eyelashes or the eyelash irritations mainly, or in case if I'm gonna totally tell you, it gives you eye irritations and also redness, itching. So this is the common thing for few sensitive skin conditions. It is really common, and also it can form acne or follicular occlusions. So these are some of the side effects of the sunscreen usage, because sunscreen is one of the pharmaceutical product which you apply directly on the skin, and this topical agent will also give some reactions on your skin, isn't it? So yes, every people are not having the same skin type. Few people are very sensitive and few people are normal, and few are having combination skin type. So these topical agents are also having limitations. Using SPF 50 means you can stay out all day. So here the main misconception that what you have thought about the SPF 50, the SPF means it is not the time how much long you can stay out. It means the broad spectrum or the protection against the UVB rays. When you are purchasing the sunscreen, always go for the broad spectrum sunscreen, because it will give you protection from both UVA rays and the UVB rays, so that it will be more effective and the more efficient result. One more thing, SPF 50 is giving you protection only for UVB rays. This is the main knowledge that you have to know the difference when you are selecting any pharmaceutical products for your skincare. Coming to the conclusion, you may ask, does the sunscreen has disadvantages? And yes, here I'm gonna conclude how and why. All the sunscreens and all the pharmaceutical products are not made for every skin type. So clearly I can conclude that yes, sunscreens or the pharmaceutical products that are applied for face or the skin directly has any sort of side effects. So the disadvantages of the sunscreen are listed here. It is having skin irritations, or allergic reactions, and also eye irritations, and also the burning sensation, redness, inflammation sometimes, and most importantly, when a person is prone or a oily skinned person, he will be prone for acne or the follicular occlusions. So this can be the major side effects. Also, in common, if I'm gonna tell you, without knowing the the proper time to use the sunscreen, and without also using it in a right proportion, the sunscreen may cause the skin tone to reduce. The skin may become darker compared to the before one or the original skin. So just always make sure that you're using the sunscreen in the right proportion, in the right time, for just for the protection purpose. After the evening time, matlab after 4, there is no use of sunscreen, and it is completely a disadvantage time. So please use the sunscreen in the right time so that it will give you the right effect of that particular pharmaceutical product. Sunscreen, isn't it just a magic shield or something like that? Sunscreen is just a layer, one single layer between your skin and the UV radiations. So don't misuse any pharmaceutical products which will affect your health or your skin conditions. I'm concluding this video with this last word. And if you are really interested in this videos, please subscribe the channel for more educational contents. So I'm happy to always make these kind of videos, and always make aware people how the pharmaceutical industries are and how the pharmaceutical products are. So more information about all these things, I'm always here. So thank you so much for all our subscribers.